Welcome back, y'all. We got new loads in, man. I ain't even really went through this one yet, but this is just us showing you some of the items that are in here. We're gonna put more information on the Patreon account. These right here, like $40, $50, $60. I can't remember exactly, but hey, you know, somewhere along that thing. When I say these pallets got every damn thing on them, these are Amazon pallets, man. And basically what it is people purchasing stuff and then not coming to the door for it. These have not been opened. This is just where they were box damaged. Or either people were trying to figure out what some of the items were. And let me see what this is. That's a pistol. Man, that's commercial grade. Like, look at this. This right here, never been opened. These are the damn thermometers that everybody's going so damn crazy for. I'm also looking for help, man, but really not looking for help, but everybody keeps telling me, well, you need help because you can't goddamn do all this shit by yourself. But hey, I've been doing just fine. Let's see what this is. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. See if I can get you situated. Boom. Yeah. Commercial bags, vacuum, perfect suction. That ain't bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. No, let's see. This is a good one. Take this one out and use this one as a display. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just something wasted on the box. Yeah. Sit down. That's one of those dermosuctions. Those things sell good. Let me clean my hands, y'all, man, because whatever the hell that was that was on this box. I'm not too fond of it. But this is my, we looking at this together, man. Humidify. Toy. Chairs. These are high as hell too, man. That looks like a, I need batteries. Oh, that's a thermometer. That's touch thermometer. A lot of thermometers in here. You see by the bottom when the thing started happening. I don't know what that is, so we'll figure that out later. I'll just show you. Which is not bad because those are not cheap at all. Don't you dare do that. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. No. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yeah. These little water flosses is hot. Yeah. Don't you do that. Don't you go falling all that. Now. We got to put you back together, baby. We got to put you back together. Yeah. Cause you a good item. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Yeah. There you go. Yes, you will. Good item. I don't know why I say that. It's probably the store that it came from. But we'll put some alcohol on there and get that bloody over there. Them dope. Them downstairs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Them dope. I'm bad, y'all. I got caught up in looking at these. I ain't never seen a pair that color, bro. Over the case like that. Never. I'm talking about that's some real different stuff, man. Never seen that. But anyway, you get the gist. These, let's see, these. This is like it might be. Let's see what that's called. We'll see. We'll close that back up like it's supposed to be in a minute. Whoa! See, there you go. So this is the only thing. You have to go through and put everything back the way they're supposed to be, because it's gonna fall out when they're in transport. And when they're in the warehouse and everybody's looking through them and trying to figure out what they are, they're going to be open and or they're going to fall out. One or two. But either way, and y'all are only, this is only the first box. That didn't even include this box. This one item is almost $300. This one is probably high on the way to it. I ain't even looked in there. Like I told you, if y'all are coming from anywhere else, these are all high quality items. Just because they're Bradshaw stuff. If you look up anything Bradshaw, like these little things here, matter of fact, let me show you, but I can tell you. Pull up my eBay. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm pressed for time, but we're gonna make it work. Nope, not the right listing. Oh, that's the damn wheel brush. That's definitely not right. I'm not even trying to scan that because they ain't even priced out. This is one that I have priced. Come on now, that right. Sit up. There you go. Okay. Now, that's just for the spoons. One item, $78. A 3-pack, $20. And it's just one of these. And there's a heave of these. Let's see. Okay. Let's go to another item. And these are all brand new, so you can get top dollar out of them with ease. Okay. That was not pulling up in the search. Let's see. I've already looked up these, but I don't know if they have a barcode on them. Okay, so that's what these are. Press domes. These right here. So we're just gonna go back and look that up in the search bar. Should still be in there. Press dome. Excuse me, it's hot in here. I'm sweating, man. $10, $22.99 for the 2-pack. 22, 21, 24, 11 for 1, 3 watches. That's where all of those are. Let's see. Oh, you got these. These are not for the old iPhones. These are for new iPhones. Some of them for the 6, but people still have the 6. Those are light-proof cases. On sale, they were $20. That's for the iPhone X, iPhone 8, 7 Plus. Gaming headphones. Got tablets. Like I said, man, there's all kind of stuff, man. So just make sure you subscribe if you want to know how to get into this, and if you want to learn more about it, or if you just want to purchase an item that you see. These are the gel nail starter kits. If you just want to find out more, or want to purchase something like these items right here, right now, selling for good money. Online, they're like $20 a piece. And you see how many that is. It'll be a good price on these items, man. This is not your cheap quality stuff. These are heavy duty. This stuff is good quality. Great quality. That is cheap stuff, man. None of it. All you gotta do is subscribe, comment, like, and some of this stuff we might be doing on the giveaway still, because nobody's done what we said to do to get the giveaway. To get the giveaway entry. But you know, whatever works for you. This one item right here, it's like $300. I gotta list this online, man. Most of this stuff that's right here is guaranteed going online. These are like $70 smart remotes. You can Bluetooth them to your phone. Now everybody loses the phone. You can keep up with it. It's just hard to, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is not even half of it. Like, I ain't even got to, bruh. Just make sure you contact us, man. We're trying to put y'all up on game, but y'all don't, I don't think y'all really like money, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause, or either y'all just hating. Y'all either just don't like money, or you just a hater, bro. But guess what? Just because you hate does not mean it's putting money in your pocket, bro. That ain't getting you nowhere. So, you know what I'm saying? Like these right here, these are all shirts. Just like the one that I got on. Good quality, dry fit, stretch, you know what I'm saying? All of that. And got a lot of stuff going on, man. And if y'all would actually act right, you can change your life too, man. Because I'm trying to show y'all something, man. I'm trying to help y'all get somewhere But, cause my thing is, I don't want y'all trying to say, oh, he done got money now, he acting funny now. But I've been trying to get y'all to get this same money almost 2-3 years now, if not longer. And nobody wants to listen. So it's like, you know what? Okay, cool. I put it on here, and when I started putting videos up on where, how to sell it, how to price it, and all that on Patreon, if you want to know, then you're going to have to pay. Because I ain't got time for the foolishness no more. I'm wasting my time. And you don't want to act right. I just don't. So, in the meantime, between time, subscribe, like, comment, and let's get this money together, man. Remember, hustle kings and queens. There's another day to chase your dream. Don't let nothing stop you coming between and intervene. Until then, peace.